Cooking in Salad Master is so simple. Put your food into Salad Master without adding oil or water. Place your Salad Master onto the stove and turn to medium heat. The moisture then rises from the food up to the lid. Once the temperature reaches approximately 187 degrees Fahrenheit, 86 degrees Celsius, the nutrition protector valve will begin clicking. When you hear the nutrition protector, simply turn the stove to low heat. Once the stove is turned to low, a semi-vacuum cooking seal is created, locking in the moisture, nutrients, and flavor. Our unique approach combines advanced technology, like the nutrition protector valve, with an innovative low moisture, low heat, semi-vacuum cooking method that not only enhances the natural flavors and colors of your food, but also saves energy, reduces cooking time, and makes meal preparation an art that supports a healthier lifestyle. So, medium, click, low is all you need to know.